Thanks, a group of community stakeholders launching a new initiative to address chronic homelessness in the Erie region.
It is called Housing First Erie. Our Lisa Adams is here with us tonight. Lisa, you reported on this Housing First concept earlier in the year, but now it's really moving off the drawing board locally.
Good evening, Eva and Mike. It is. Consultant Wyatt Schrader, who has launched Housing First plans in other cities, gave a presentation here that I reported on back in February. It is a different approach that aims to help homeless people get into permanent housing first and then address their other needs.
Erie's homeless problem has moved out of the shadows and into full view in recent years. And while that's not new, Housing First Erie's specific goal is.
The number one goal for Housing First Erie is to find permanent housing for 150 of our community's most vulnerable unhoused individuals, and it's fairly simple in terms of that's the end goal.
Those behind Housing First Erie say a lot of great work goes on here daily to help the homeless, offering temporary shelter and support. But their data shows 150 people with the greatest needs are not being served. So all these partners on Housing First Erie's project team plan to add permanent housing.
We will have a single site which will house up to 50 individuals, and then 100 individuals will be housed across the community in what we call scattered sites, so individual homes, maybe multi-units.
And when people are housed, they'll help with other issues that may accompany homelessness, sickness, mental health, or substance abuse. Services will be wrapped around, with Safe Harbor Behavioral Health taking the lead.
So their mobile care managers will meet these folks where they are and help them to get the care and the services they need, even if it's driving them, even if it's the service delivered in their apartment. It's a very unique model. It's a very new model to Erie, but it's a model that is battle tested nationally.
Haggerty said data shows homeless people who need hospital care end up staying longer with nowhere to go when they're released.
When we heard about a model that has assertive services delivered to that person where they live, we said this is the model we have to embrace. It makes sense.
And the team involved with Housing First Erie is going to be sharing more on their plans at a news conference in Perry Square later this week. And Karen Billowith and Boo Haggerty are my guests this weekend on The Insider. We hope you'll join us. Live in the studio, Lisa Adams, Erie News Now.